A woman can have many faces. This is due to her ability to choose her clothes in such a way that she can look different and at the same time to be always stylish. Contemporary people have the opportunity to enjoy various styles, each with its specific characteristics: sports, and elegant, sexy, romantic, classic, extravagant, street, funky and others. It is up to you to choose your individual style and use your imagination to make brave combinations of various styles until you achieve an impressive fashionable vision. The most important thing you should keep in mind is the occasion. Your wear should be appropriate for the venue you are going to. Another important peculiarity you should pay attention to is your figure. The clothes you choose should underline the values of your figure and cover the imperfections, if you have any. The traditional black dress is a must-have in the wardrobe of every lady, for it symbolizes femininity, underlines the body, and at the same time is very comfortable. Do not ignore the importance of the accessories. Sometimes the key to excellence is in the little things. A small, exquisite jewelry, nice shoes, or an original bag can make your appearance breathtaking. Do you know the saying, "You'll be judged by your clothes first"? This means the appearance is the first thing people notice in us. The clothes we select for our wardrobe should fit stylishly to our figure. The woman's style is related to her individuality and not to the fashion trends. You can follow the fashion tendencies, but you must have your own style. The style comes from the inner sense of beauty. If you are one of those ladies who want to be noticed wherever they go and to take the breath of others, choose the most appropriate clothes for you and create your own style. Give yourself a little time for shopping and take advantage of what fashion has to offer.